Orange is a new black when it comes to this Bergamont hybrid. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Bergamont Sweep 4. First, let me quickly go grab a cup of coffee and then give you guys the bike specs. So one of the nice things about Velo Studio is that you not only get a good cup of coffee, but you also get people knowledgeable about cycles who are cyclists and who will be happy to help you out and, well, have a nice conversation over coffee and cycles. So to start off, this is a full rigid bike with an aluminum alloy frame. The color scheme on this bike is a beautiful metallic golden color. So continuing on with the frame, you have internal routing of cables. So this gives the bike nice clean lines and, well, easier to clean too. Now when I talk about the frame of the bike, every bike has two triangles, the bottom half and the first half. Over here, there's a difference between these two triangles. This is made to give this bike a more rigid and stiffer ride. And now, onto the drivetrain. This is a 16-speed bike which has a full Clarus group set. So while the Clarus is a roadie group set, they do make flat handlebar shifters too, and that's what comes on this bike. On the rear, you have an 8-speed cassette from Shimano, and on the front, the double chain rings are also from Shimano. And now onto the front. You have a 660mm Syncross riser handlebar mounted on an 85mm stem. The braking on this bike is provided by Shimano hydraulic disc brakes. On this, there's a Shimano MT200s. This bike comes with double wall alloy rims on which there are 35C tires mounted. And now let's check out the weight of this bike. So this bike weighs in at just 11.35 kgs. So quick shout out to my sponsor, findbetter.ai. Well, this is a community built buying and selling platform. You can connect with other cyclists, other runners too, and, well, if you want to buy something, you can get recommendations and then buy something that suits you and is made sure that it will suit your requirements. So quickly get onto your phone and go to findbetter.ai and download the app. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, safe ride everyone.